how much should you actually spend on a Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose cleaner? Because some people are happy buying the cheaper versions, but returning the more expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Little Green Mini. The Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, model 4075 from Bissell. Honestly, its compact design really caught my attention, and with over 50,000 units sold in the past month, it's definitely a popular choice. If you want a portable cleaner that's easy to store and perfect for quick messes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This little guy tackles spills and pet stains while removing allergens like dander and dust. It features a HydroRinse self-cleaning tool that helps keep the hose clean, and a 4-inch tough stain tool to get into those hard-to-reach spots. Plus, it's lightweight at just 7 pounds, making it easy to carry around your home or even in your car. Now, some people complained about its smaller size, saying it doesn't hold enough water for bigger jobs. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily dealing with smaller spots or quick cleanups, that's not really a deal breaker. It's actually perfect for those who need something manageable and easy to use. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or have a pet that makes occasional messes. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty cleaner for larger areas. For its price point, it offers solid value. Now, if that smaller size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Little Green Multi-Purpose. The Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, model 1400B. At $94.99, it's positioned as a more powerful option that can handle a variety of messes. If you want something that combines portability with serious cleaning power, you might want to check this one out. This cleaner is America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning, trusted by over 7 million households. It features a large 48-ounce clean water tank, meaning you can tackle more messes in one go without constant refilling. The ultra-powerful triple-action formula is scientifically proven to lift and remove over 100 common stains, which is great if you're dealing with tough spots. Now, some reviews mention that the suction could be stronger. I'll be real with you. While it does a great job on most stains, tougher, set-in messes might require a little extra elbow grease. But for everyday spills and pet accidents, it performs beautifully. This is perfect for you if you have kids or pets and need a reliable cleaner for everyday messes. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for deep cleaning carpets. It's a great value for what you pay. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious pet owners.
Product number 3, Little Green Max Pet. Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, model 3860, priced at $119.99. This one is tailored for pet owners. If you want powerful suction and specialized tools for pet messes, this is definitely worth checking out. What caught my eye is its superior suction, which is 30% more powerful than competing models. This means it can handle the toughest pet stains with ease, especially when paired with the included triple-action Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain formula. It's designed to not just clean, but also protect against future stains, which is a huge bonus for any pet parent. Some folks did mention that it can be a bit heavy at times, weighing in at around 8.2 pounds. But here's the thing, if you're seriously battling pet messes, that extra power can make all the difference in getting your home back to normal. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and need something that can handle the extra challenges. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to carry. It's a solid investment for its capabilities. Now, if the weight is a concern, you might want to consider this next option.
Product number 4, Little Green Hydro Steam. We have the Little Green Hydro Steam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, model 3618, priced at $169.99. This cleaner promises enhanced cleaning with hydro steam technology, and if you're looking for something that really packs a punch, this one could be for you. What stood out to me is its ability to provide up to 50% better cleaning with steam, combined with powerful suction. This means it can handle tough, stuck-on messes like oil or grease. It also features 3 cleaning modes, letting you choose the best option for your specific needs, whether it's refreshing upholstery or tackling serious pet accidents. However, some reviews point out that the operation can be a bit complex for first-time users. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the results are impressive, which might just be worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with a variety of tough stains and want a versatile cleaner. Skip this if you prefer something straightforward and easy to use. You're definitely getting your money's worth with this cleaner. Now, if you want something simpler, the last product might catch your attention.
Product number 5, Little Green Pet Deluxe. We have the Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner, model 3353. This one is designed specifically for pet owners and is a great option if you want something effective without breaking the bank. Its pricing is competitive and offers solid features for pet cleaning. With powerful suction and a large 48-ounce tank, you can clean more between refills, making it great for those larger messes. It also comes with essential tools like the 3-inch Tough Stain Tool and Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, it eliminates pet odors effectively with the included pet spot and stain formula. However, some users found that it can be less effective on very old stains. But honestly, if you're using it for regular maintenance and fresh messes, it holds its ground well. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable cleaner to keep up with your pets. Skip this if you're dealing with tough set-in stains that need a more heavy-duty approach. For its features, it offers great value for pet owners.
So, to wrap it up, we've covered the Little Green Mini, the multi-purpose version, the Max Pet, the Hydro Steam, and the Pet Deluxe. Each offers unique features tailored to different needs, from quick cleanups to heavy-duty pet messes. No matter which one you choose, you're investing in your home and making cleaning a lot easier.